Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add a new fingerprint profile on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Then scroll down and tap on biometrics. Then tap on fingerprints. Now in here, put in the PIN or password, and then tap on add fingerprint, and then tap on register. And here you can place your finger or thumb on this circle here, and that will attempt to read your fingerprint. Now you need to do this around 8 times. And that's it. So if you want to continue to add in more fingerprints, you can do so by tapping on the add button. Otherwise, you can tap on done. And that's it. So your fingerprint has been added. You can tap and hold onto that to delete it if you wanted to, or if you want to do it again. Otherwise, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.